This video explains how to operate event function of the HVS-490. Switcher can save the configuration status as data. This function is called Event Memory. The keypad section is used to store and recall event. On the HVS-490, up to 100 events or 10 events times 10 pages can be stored in the memory. ME1, picture-in-picture, created in key 1 are stored in events. Press the Event button in the keypad section and the keypad changes to Event Memory mode. Press Store. Select the items to be saved onto the event memory via the touch panel. This time, we select the ME1 Key 1 data and crosspoints. Press either one of the buttons from 0 to 9 in the keypad section to store the event. Load the save events. Press Event and then press the button where you have just saved the settings. Press Recall to load the save settings. If Direct is switched on in the Event menu, the settings can be read out without pressing Recall. Open the event settings and select the data and crosspoint for key 1. Change the keyer position. Set the duration and save it to button 1. Change the keyer position. Set the duration and save the event to the button 2. If you call up the event settings in the status, you can add the effect, which can make the keyer move as set before. Press the Event button to open Settings. This time, we will prohibit the overwriting of the button 1. Set Direct to off. Set Overwrite to disable. This will prevent the settings from being overwritten.